Class, welcome to Lesson 9. Our subjects this week will be relevance and quality score and installing Google Analytics. We will also talk about Project 3, create a Google Ads campaign. So let's start on relevance and quality score. The beauty of Google Ads is that Google wants you to succeed. The more successful you are, the more you will use their product and the more successful they will be. So in order to help you with that, they will assign a quality score to your ad. And this will help you know how to improve your ad and the ad experience. Google will actually use this quality score in the bidding process. And so if you have a higher quality score but a lower overall bid, you can still win some bids against your competition. And so the relevance, the quality score is a key indicator to a successful ad campaign. So this assignment will walk you through what components make up the quality score and help you improve or relate that back to your ads. The assignment is a Word document with this scenario. If you have a keyword with a quality score of 4, what are 3 things you could do to increase the quality score? And then for each of those items, explain why you believe making these changes will increase the quality score. So you'll really go back to these readings, this instruction, and then the video here, how do I improve my quality score on Google Ads? Those things will drive the answers to those questions. Your individual ads typically will not have quality scores assigned to them yet. We have not launched the ad campaigns. So until you actually get data in, you won't get a quality score from Google Ads. So speaking of, let's go to Project 3. I'll jump to installing Google Analytics in just a minute. But Project 3, this first part is where you'll create your campaign, and it is very straightforward. This is not launching your campaign. And so there's an important note here at the bottom. Do not run your campaign. Do not enable the campaign yet until week 10. Right now we're just creating the campaign. So there's an instructional video on it. You will go on there and create 1 ad group, 2 ads, and 10 keywords in this campaign. And again, you'll just create that. You will not enable the campaign yet. And that is the first part of Project 3. Second part is in week 10, and we will be enabling that and beginning to gather some data, some information that will apply to Project 4 as well. Second assignment this week is installing Google Analytics. Google Analytics is, to me, what makes online business so appealing and so valuable. With Analytics, you can see everything your visitors do, how they came to your site, what search terms they Googled that led them to your site, what they do once they get onto your site, what page they were on when they left your site, how long they spent on each page. It's incredible what you can see with Google Analytics. Traditional brick and mortar companies used to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for these studies to say, all right, how does the visitor or how does the customer move through my store? What do they look at most? Where do they go first? And now it's free of charge at your fingertips through Google Analytics. So we will do some assignments with Google Analytics. I'm a big believer in it. It can tell you a ton about how to run an effective online business if you use this data and respond to it. We won't get into that piece of Google Analytics with this assignment. This is just installing the product. Later assignments will deal with interpreting and understanding the data. So for this, you will need to go to Google Analytics and generate a tracking code for your website. This will look a little different depending on your site builder, but if you go through these links, this will guide you on how to generate this code. Copy and paste it onto a Word document. That's for your assignment. You'll also want to copy and paste it into the correct place in your website. And again, that will depend on your site builder. Reach out to your site builder for exact instructions if it's not crystal clear, but most site builders know this is an essential tool and they'll guide you to the spot where you need to paste it. So paste the code onto the Word document, explain where on your website you pasted it, just so I know you've pasted it on your website, and then explain how you linked Google Analytics to your Google Ads account. This is key because in future lessons, we will be getting into what's called conversions, where you convert a visitor to a customer. And Google Analytics can use Google Ads to track that. And when you combine these two, now you take the power of Google Analytics and put it into a Google Ads campaign, and it is a potent combination of analytic-based marketing. So we want to make sure those two accounts are linked. And then the last step, explain why you feel Google Analytics will help your web business be more successful. So that will be it. Just a Word document there, not a spreadsheet in addition to that. So that will wrap up week 9. You'll have the discussion board, obviously, on each subject, and then your weekly reflection. So if you've got questions on any of this, your relevance and quality score, installing Google Analytics, or help with your Google Ads campaign, please reach out. I'd be happy to walk through those with you. Thanks, everyone.